niya ako ipadala sa dahil. Yun lang naman. Kahit sa angkot dito sa Pilipinas, pareho tayo Pilipino, Mr. President. Pareho tayo Pilipino, kung pwede lang. Kung meron akong pananagutan, panagutan ko dito sa ating local board. Huwag doon sa Banyaga.
Nagmamakaawa kay BBM. Nasa kamay ni PBBM ang kapalaran ni Senador Bato de la Rosa na wanted ngayon ng ICC.
Because the foreign policy is a matter for the executive branch to work to decide.
Sa On Point ng Bilyonaryo News Channel, inamin din ni former Senate President Franklin Drilon na may conflict sa pagitan ng Rome Statute at batas ng Pilipinas at kailangan daw itong resolbahin ng Korte Suprema. Pero para sa dating mambabatas at DOJ Secretary, valid ang arrest warrant ng ICC para kay De La Rosa.
That's under the law. A warrant is only valid if issued by the local court, by a court within the jurisdiction of the Philippines. The argument of the other side is that the warrants issued by the ICC is part of the law of the land because that is issued under the Rome Statute and we adhered and ratified the Rome Statute.
Kaya kung si Drilon ang tatanungin, dapat kumilos ang administrasyon para isilbi ang warrant. Wala rin siyang nakikitang dahilan para kupkupin ng Senado si De La Rosa.
I cannot find technically a legal basis for a protective custody. I am not aware of any statute which grants the Senate the right to issue a protective custody. And what does that mean anyway?